Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Duty Addict 615, and I am back with another ULTA haul. The difference between all of my other ULTA hauls and this one, besides the fact that this one only has 4 items, is that everything was paid for through my ULTA reward. So that makes it a super special haul over on this channel. I did not pick up much, but I do have a few things in this box that I want to share with you. And the first one is none other than the Good Molecules B5 Hydrating Body Serum. I am all in on body care. So skincare is not a new thing on this channel. Body care over the last, I will say, 12 to 18 months, I feel like I've really started to pay attention to body care and purchase products in that category, and this one is one that I wanted to try. It is cost effective. I have not been disappointed yet with the product that I've picked up from Good Molecules. So if this body serum is as good as some of the others that have a much higher price point, then this one could be bumping some of the others out of the purchase rotation. So I'm really excited to give this one a try. Again, the brand is Good Molecules, and it is their B5 Hydrating Body Serum, and it is a 6.7 fluid ounce. And this, you can pick it up directly from Good Molecules, but you can also pick up Good Molecules from ULTA, and I was able to use my points. So the next item that I picked up is also in the body care area category, and it is the Bio Oil Body Lotion. This is a 5.9 fluid ounce, and I just thought that with all of the other oils that I have tried, I have not tried the Bio Oil product line, and this one is a body lotion. I'm hoping that it's unscented, and for the most part it is, so it's going to be fine for layering. It does look a little loose in the, and it sounds watery. Let's see. Okay. I may need to do some research. It's very, very thin. It's absorbing quickly. Not greasy. Leaves a beautiful sheen, but no smell. But it feels like water. It is very, very loose in its texture. And this is what the bottle looks like here. So maybe it's a creamy body oil that they're marketing as a lotion, but it's targeting, it says it's body, it's a body. I'll let you know how I like it, and I'll also let you know how quickly I go through it, because I feel like even though this has a little hole for dispensing, because it's so loose, I feel like it could be a problem dispensing just a little bit at a time. But I don't know. We're going to dive in. At this point, I'm not out of any money for this specific purchase, but I do have high expectations for the brand. The next is another body product, and these are all products I have not tried, so what better way to utilize my points? And this is from the brand Pacifica, and it is the Wake Up Beautiful Retinol Body Serum, and it is in a spray can. So whether it's legs, arms, back, stomachs, whatever it is, this is a retinol for the body in a spray can, so it's going to be easy to apply. Because it's body, it's going to be formulated high enough that it can transform that thicker body skin texture, which is completely different from the texture on your face. So I'm excited to try this at night. Definitely want to spray it at least an hour before getting in bed so that it has an opportunity to absorb, so that it just doesn't get pulled in by the bed linen. But I'm excited to give this one a try. It was also relatively affordable, and it is a 5.1 ounce can. And then the fourth and final item that I picked up, this is actually the Coach Dreams Sunset perfume. This is another fragrance blind buy, and I hope that it gets the opportunity to stay in my fragrance stash, but if not, I'll pass it on to someone else that may enjoy the fragrance. It is, I think this is a 1 ounce bottle. There is the packaging, Coach Dreams Sunset. And we will see. Oh. Yeah, I don't like the way that opens. Does it spray out the top? Hold on, let's see here. Oh, just sprayed it all over my hands. Okay, I like it. I don't know that I like the fact that it sprays directly out of the top. I actually pulled this top off thinking that it had a cap and a sprayer, but it actually has this little clear disc that was keeping the top from pressing down, and now you spray it and it comes right out the top and clearly sprayed all over my hand. I don't see. There is a teeny tiny little white dot there, and that is where the fragrance comes out. So that's why it ended up on my hand, is because I had no clue where it was coming from. So it will just spray and dispense. Okay, so I probably should have done some education on how to get it out before I opened it, but that's the point of doing a haul and a first impression and all of those other things. So I do like this one. It's definitely giving floral clean profile, but it could also be brunch, a day date, or just a good everyday fragrance. It's really soft, and I love the fact that it didn't make me gag. I've been smelling it now for a little while. It hasn't triggered my allergies, so that is always definitely a keeper. I am doing pretty good right now with recommendations and buying fragrances blind. Much better than I have success sometimes just smelling and trying to decide in store. So let me know in the comments down below, do you have a favorite body care product? It doesn't have to be, you know, something new. It could be your body lotion. I'm just curious what you're using. And then also let me know if you have a fragrance from Coach or Michael Kors or any of the other like handbag companies or brands. Let me know which fragrance you have from them that you like. I'm really curious because I was not sure that I was going to love this one from Coach, but maybe now with your recommendations, I'll find another one to add to my stash as well. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share the video with someone else that is on a fragrance kick or on a body care journey. And until next time, take care.